One of the best ways to make money online is with the written word. Copywriting is needed for everything, including emails for email marketing, sales pages and funnels, YouTube scripts, writing blogs, and even ebooks, and of course, much more beyond that. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful ways that you can make money online copywriting in 2022. Included in this video is the opportunity to make money, about how much you can make, and how to get started. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything including security cameras, web hosting, sound bars, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real tips to make money online, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free training to start your online business today. Question of the day. How skilled are you at copywriting? Comment below and your comment may be featured in a featured video. Copywriting is a great opportunity to make money online for 5 reasons. 1, you can remain in the background, meaning you don't need to show your face or voice. Everybody needs copywriting of some sort, whether it's a solopreneur or a Fortune 500 company. That's a skill that anyone can learn, and once you learn that skill, your earning potential is unlimited. And you can be a copywriter from anywhere in the world. If you want to live in Peru and write, you can do that. The only potential drawback to being a copywriter is you'll need to battle AI writing software. The technology isn't at the point where AI can replace humans yet, so you're still safe for about another 10 years. Let's get into 5 ways you can make money online as a copywriter. Number 1, freelance writing sites like iWriter, TextBroker, and Fiverr. These sites will allow you to connect with other small business owners and write tasks as assigned. iWriter, for example, will pay you to write blog posts of varying length. Once you join the site, you will be assigned writing tasks where you'll be given a general direction and a word count. Once you generate more experience, customers that enjoy your work will begin requesting you to write more blog posts for them. In the beginning, you will not make a ton of money because you don't have any customer ratings, you're new to the app, and customers are hesitant to take a chance on a new writer. However, once you get a few customer reviews, you can start seeing more money coming in. The amount of money you make is based on word count and experience, but this can be a great place to start making money fast. Number 2, Facebook ad copywriter. As the name implies, a Facebook ad copywriter will write high quality and engaging Facebook ad copy. This person will write ads that get customers to click on the ad and learn more on the sales page. Writing a good ad could be the difference between a product owner making $10 and $100,000. One of the best ways to get in front of people that are interested in hiring Facebook ad copywriters is by running Facebook ads. You can start running Facebook ads for as little as $5 per day, targeting people that want to learn how to run successful Facebook ads. The earning potential is unlimited because once you help one business run successful Facebook ads, you'll be able to charge more and more for your services. In addition, you'll build a brand and become well known in the industry as a rainmaker. If you found this video to be helpful so far, be sure to let YouTube know by dropping a like and subscribing to the channel. Number 3, start a blog. A blog is a website where you write on a certain topic. The goal of a blog is to answer the reader's questions and solve problems. Starting a blog is actually really easy. Here are the steps to starting a successful blog. Pick a niche or area that you want to write content. For example, you could write on beta fish. Next, you'll need to get web hosting and a domain name. A domain name is how people will reference your site, and web hosting is where your website will live. Click the second link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/bluehost to start your website today. Next, you will need to install WordPress. WordPress is a content management system that will help you write blogs faster. After you install WordPress, you will need to do a little keyword research. Keyword research is the art of figuring out what your target audience wants to know. You can look for words like best, how to, and review. For example, best tank for beta fish. You can make money with your blog in a number of ways: by placing ads on your website, affiliate marketing, selling an ebook or a course, guest posting, selling merchandise, and eventually selling your website. While the money will start slow, your earning potential is unlimited. The key to a successful blog is to just keep writing. Number 4, sales funnel copy. Do you want to make a lot of money on the internet? Learn how to write effective copy on sales pages. If you want to write effective copy that increases buyers, and you can make a limited amount of money. If you want to write effective copy that increases buyers, and you can make a limited amount of money in this niche. Online business owners will shovel money to you if you can help them make more of it. To write effective copy, you'll need to agitate the customer's interests, wants, and desires. Again, this may start off slow, but can increase quickly once you have a few client success stories. Number 5, product descriptions. Yes, you can make a full-time income writing product descriptions for online business owners. In this instance, you'll be writing for dropshippers, Shopify store owners, and Fulfilled by Amazon store owners. As a product description writer, you'll be sent information on the product, features, benefits, and the target audience. With this information, you'll write descriptions that engage the customer and get them to buy. The best way to start this profession is with freelancing sites like Fiverr. In addition, I've also seen people marketing their businesses on TikTok. Finally, a bonus way to make money as a copywriter is with YouTube scripts. Would you believe that this video was completely scripted and read from a teleprompter? This is my first time using a teleprompter. How do you think I did? So let's recap. Here are 6 ways that you can make money online with copywriting. Number 1, freelance writer on iWriter, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Number 2, freelance ad copywriter. Number 3, start a blog. Number 4, sales funnel copy. Number 5, product descriptions. Number 6, YouTube scripts. Now that you know 6 ways to make money online writing copy, click the link in the description for my free training to start an online business today. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more ways to make money online. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video.